Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are in the technology side on this video. So, if you've used Chrome OS, if you've used a Chromebook, maybe you used the famous Chrome OS that can be installed on PCs via Google, trying to have your old PC turned into a Chromebook. Well, big changes coming in still quite a while, but we learned today that the Chromebooks, as we know it, the Chrome OS operating system will be terminated and end of support in 2034. So that's 8 years from now. It's still far away. So, don't worry, your Chromebook is going to go well. And they're not saying total end. They're kind of opening the door to maybe some Chromebooks will still have life left. And they're not explaining what's that exactly about. Is it, so since they're saying end of support, it's like, well, there shouldn't be any security updates or updates. But they're kind of not, saying anything about it. But they are saying something else. So this has appeared in a court document. Of course, Google is under antitrust, and so the government is asking for Google to do certain things. And within these court documents, these legal documents, it is stipulated at many, many places that Chrome OS has, 8 years left. And it will be abandoned. And it will not be abandoned totally in terms of an operating system. It will be actually changed to something else called Aluminum OS, which would be a PC or desktop version of Android. And personally, I think this is the logical thing to do. Since you do have Android, why not transform Android into a desktop OS? It's kind of logical that happens. Why have Chrome OS at that other thing going on when you already have something that's pretty much the most popular OS in the world right now? This is going to be interesting to see what happens. When will we have maybe the first Aluminum OS machines? That'll be interesting to see also. So for now, your Chromebook is safe. It's going to be updated without any problems. 2034 is the end date for Chrome OS. And Aluminum OS will be gradually from now on until probably 2034 taking over machines and will be the dominant, the operating system that will, I guess, be, because one of the biggest problems right now with Android, if you ever used BlueStacks or if you ever used even the, when it was available, the Android subsystem for Windows, one of the biggest problems was, Android isn't that great on a PC because it doesn't have the form factor of the PC and the apps and stuff. So I guess this is going to change and eventually become maybe more of a adaptable operating system with Aluminum OS. So that's the interesting news that we have about Android, about Chrome OS, and Google. So it's going to be interesting to see what's happening next. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.